guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amy Special as usual. So if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys at the best. Yeah, happy weekend. Today is Saturday and still in the spirit of our 30 days challenge. Am I not trying? Yeah, I know I'm trying. Kudos to me. Yeah, so today's video is going to be unboxing. Why did I look at this side? Okay, because it's here. So today's video is going to be unboxing. In case you're not in the Philippines, there's this app that we normally get stuff from. So they did 11.11 sales. That was 11th of this month, and I ordered some things, and one came earlier, but I kept it waiting for the rest, and the other just came in today, being the 20th. How many days? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, 9 days. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's see. Do you want to see what I got? Don't worry. Let's start with the small one. This was the one that came earlier. I think this came earlier because it was already in the Philippines. The other one that came today was actually not in Philippines, so that was why it took a lot of time. So this one is how much? How much did I even get this? Just 119.38 pesos. So let's see what is inside. Okay. I got this aloe vera eye patch because I have dark circles. Like, I've tried, I will not say I've tried, I used to try it in my head, but I don't do it. So I say, since sometimes I'll buy cucumber and at the end of the day we'll throw it away or we eat it, so I say, man, let me just try eye patch and see if it's going to work. So I got this aloe vera 92% with collagen. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so I hope it works. Let me see what it looks like inside. Oh my god, this is strong. Okay, what's this for? This is looking like spoon. I think I have to go and watch YouTube. What's this? Ew, I need help. What's this for? Is it to pick it? To pick it out? This is inside. Mege. Let's try one. See, I can't cope with this thing. Let me see. Oh, you wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so soft. I don't know if I'm putting it well, but man. Okay. Yeah, it's so slippery. Ew, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, bush girl. This is bush girl. I don't know if I'm getting it, but it's moving down. It's not even staying. I waste money. Joy, see how the thing is on my face? Yes, man. It's moving. It's not staying one place. Okay. Okay. The shit is real. But please, I beg, I can't continue with this. Let's move on to the next. This one that they put spoon inside for us. I don't know what they are putting spoon for. It's as if it's moving.
This is not how they used to fix it.
Yeah. Help me with scissors. Let me cut this. Okay, the sheet is real. Look at me, Obushke. I was putting it the opposite way. Okay. Yeah, come and put the second one. So this is the job you have now. Take it. Job because. I think that she must take it again. Okay. I'm happy. Okay, you guys should be checking out my dark circles as the time is going to know if the thing is really working. But man, for now, it was actually cold though. I like the fact that it's cold. Yep. I like the fact that it's cold.
Oh, I use it together.
You see?
I said we use it together now.
Hey.
You know, I feel like
Do you have dark circles? You don't have.
It's not until you have that circle before you can use it, madam.
You don't have eye bags.
It's not until you have it now. You just prevent the shit to come, okay?
Okay.
Prevent the shit from coming.
I got this. Hey, it's broken.
Why did you shout now?
It's broken. It's broken. See what they sold? I'll apply for return. But I've kept it for long, waiting for this one.
Like that now.
I'll not be using short thing. I'll still apply for return. See. I feel like crying. Let's move on to the next one. Yeah, so this is the one that came in today. I just hope nothing is broken in it. This one that things are breaking already. What's happening here? So this thing is moving down. It's not staying.
You are not meant to sit when you are applying this.
Oh, I will lie down.
Yes.
That means I'm not using it though. Because, well, let me remove it, I beg. The thing is just moving. I beg, go.
Jeez.
Let me still massage it in. Okay. They said this small side is for eyes. So let me use it and massage what I just used. See this eye bag here, or this my dark circles, the both joined together. I think I inherited it, but it's actually better. Like that my carrot oil, I think it did a little wonders. My eye is not really dark again. So okay, this will give me large. I ordered for medium. Can you waist belt or waist trainer, anyone that we call it. I ordered for medium. They are giving me large. Should we try this? Let me see. I'm going to try it too. You guys should wait. Let me try it. Okay. Let me put it in the second first. I ordered for medium. What did they give me?
Can you return it now? Mother, Mado, I envy you. Mommy.
Who is your mommy?
Mommy.
Who is your mommy?
Let's go together.
I think I'll leave this for now. It's stressful.
Mommy.
We'll continue later.
Let's grow together.
Okay, so let's continue.
In this aspect, this area I'm seeing, we grow together.
You and who is growing together?
You.
Growing together with what?
What you buy?
It's cute. Okay. I just hope nothing is broken here. That's my fear. Okay, I got this aloe vera shampoo for my hair. I just hope it's nice. Then I got this conditioner also. I hope you can see it. Then this one I bought one, they are giving me two.
It's buy one take one.
Oh, it's buy one take one. I did not notice, and it was cheap, or just 20 pesos.
Yeah.
Aloe vera. I don't know if I should call it lip balm or lipstick. I'm seeing lipstick on it, but when I ordered it, I saw lip balm. That was why I ordered it. But now I'm seeing lipstick. Let's open one and see if it's lip balm or lipstick.
Hi Lisa. Hi Drew.
Okay. This one is lip balm now. Why did Abby? It's lip balm. Then I say lipstick. Okay, aloe vera is lipstick. I don't even know my lip color self. Is lipstick or lip balm?
I think the color is to change somewhere.
The color is changing, ba?
I don't know.
It's as if I'm seeing somehow red. What is lip balm? So thank you for giving me one. What's this? They dashed me brush. I think it came with the palette. Then I got this. This is the brush. One small brush like that. This is my fear. This is why I don't apply makeup. Because you order foundation and they will end up bringing something else. Okay, this is not the foundation. They've not delivered foundation. I still have some orders that are yet to be delivered. This is what do they call it? Illuminator. Just you apply small here and you know.
How Claire is watching this video because they are preparing for a wedding.
Who told this for a wedding? It's just to apply a little glow on your face. I had to look for my color. This one try you, but is it noticeable?
No.
Okay. This is glow for the face. Iconic London. I think they call them. Iconic London. Yeah. So this is the pack. Oh, you can see it. You can see it. Iconic London. It's alright. The foundation is yet to arrive. I just hope it comes out well. Then finally, this is where I'm scared that something will break. This is where I'm scared that something will break. I got the Jacqueline Hill palette. This is me trying to get makeup because people are complaining, Abby, you don't do makeup. And I'm like, it's not like I don't do makeup. The problem is I don't have makeup. And the problem is to get my color of foundation and powder. It's so hard. But the other things are easy to get. The eyeliner, lipstick, whatever. Oh my god, no one break.
Yeah, even the same color with the entire one.
Eh?
Yeah, the same color with the entire one.
Yes. No one break. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I was scared that it was going to break because I remember when a friend ordered it, like 4 colors scattered before they delivered it. But anyways, got this by my side. So before 2021, all my makeup will be complete. You guys will start seeing makeup, yeah? Yeah, so that's all for this video. When they deliver the rest, I'll still let you guys know, yeah? Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Make sure you go to church tomorrow. Bye. Wait, don't buy yet. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe, like, share. Please drop a comment at least. Please drop a comment. God bless you. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell. Oh my God, see how I'm glowing. To tell another friend to subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you.